Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chrissy. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I wanted to do a video of me doing my daughter's box braids for the third time. I feel like every time I do it, I get better. The first time it wasn't as tight and neat looking. This time that I did it, I feel like it definitely was tight. And the method I used worked for me. So maybe it can work for you. So right now, I always got to start off with washing their hair in all my hair videos. I don't know why. It's just something I love to do. It just looks soothing, like who doesn't like getting their hair washed, right? The shampoo I'm using in her hair is the Kaleidoscope Kids shampoo. I think that's what it's called. It's like a 2-in-1 or 3-in-1. Like you can use it for bath and it's shampoo and conditioner, I believe. And I also use the drops that go with it. So now right here, I am drying her hair off. And I'm going to go back to, our old roots. Just using the Blue Magic grease conditioner. Got it from my local beauty supply store. I feel like it worked back in the day for our hair growth. Why wouldn't it work now? I just feel like we use way too many products now, and it's just like, what's the point? So right now, I'm blowing her hair out with the brush I got off of Amazon. Or the blow drying brush I got off of Amazon. And this is the next day due to the fact that I couldn't finish the day before because of her remote classes. It was kind of hard for me to get everything done. So now you will see her hair fully blown out and how beautiful it looks. I'm going to go ahead and add some Kaleidoscope Kids drops to her scalp. And then after I do that, I'm going to massage it in to make sure that I'm getting it all in her scalp to make sure, I'm treating it the way it's supposed to be treated. You know what I mean? The moment you all been waiting for. So I bought a pack of hair that was pre-stretched already. I believe it was 1B. It could be, I don't know. I believe it's 1B though. And I cut it in half because I didn't want her braids as long as the pack was. So I just kind of cut it in half. And I had to stretch it myself after that because I cut it in like a straight bob, which you can kind of see on the couch over there. I was trying to figure out how I wanted to braid her hair and make it look neat. And I tried different ways, and the first one didn't make the cut, unfortunately. So I found a new way that I liked, which is braiding it a little bit and then adding the hair so that it gives it that neatness. And then once I go on with the braiding hair, it makes it it just looks better overall. So I just wanted to show you guys again how I do it. Please do not judge me. I found this way to be easier for me to do her hair um, versus how I've done them in the past. And this is my third time doing the box braid extension in her hair. So yeah, the first thing I do is I apply it on both sides, the top and bottom, and then mix the sides in. Yeah, I just used the Shining Jam. Definitely shines. And even after I take her hair out, after using this product, like her hair feels extremely soft and conditioned. It doesn't feel like it's just a bunch of gunk in it or anything like that. So, but yeah, the way I do it, I braid it first to give it that tight grip because for some reason, I don't know if y'all can tell from the first one I did, but like I said, I just braid it real quick, which sometimes hurts her a little bit because I try to get it like extremely neat. So I just braid it a little bit, like boom, like literally just a little bit, and then I'll grab the rest with the hair. So the two middle pieces, it's going with her hair. That's the braid that's taking her hair. And I would take this other big piece and I would just swing it over and start braiding. Get a little closer, come out. And I'll just swing it over and start braiding like a regular braid. And the, turn again, baby, turn to me. And because
I'm looking at the blog.
Yeah, that's fine. Because I am left-handed, like, it tends to be upside down. But once I finish like braiding it, I just twist it like that and it'll stay like that. So yes, I braid upside down, but it's cool because it's not gonna mess up her actual, like, the pattern I'm trying to do on her head. It's not gonna make it look crazy. So of course down here I just add a little bit more jam so that it can blend easily. I'm still working on blending her hair and the weave together perfectly. Like, I'm not a pro at it yet, but I'm working each time I do it. I get better with some I'm not as good. But this one don't seem to be too bad. But I'll just wrap it just like that. So let me see, reach in real quick. So this is how her braid looks. Like, the hair is in and you can't really see it. I mean, I see it because her hair is like a different tone. Like, I'm working on blending it because like I said, I'm not 100% good, but this is just how I do her hair, and I just wanted to show y'all. Y'all do not understand the excitement when I tell you I was so happy to be braiding her hair up so that I can get ready to dip it. Listen, I've been wanting this to happen since the day before for me to just get it finished. And I'm sure she was relieved as well that her hair was finally done. So right here, like I said, I'm braiding her hair so that I can get those amazing curls when I dip it in the hot water.
I have 6 fingers. Hello.
Now say yes. My husband finally gets to eat.
Look, I have 6 fingers. Because I'm going to be sick.
No, you're not. You're going to be fine.
No, I'm going to be sick.
You're going to be fine.
No, not forever.
Guard your heart.
Bobby.
Guard your heart.
Bobby. It's not going to drip on my face.
Just tilt back a little bit. Relax. Shit, that burnt me. Relax.
Curly again?
Yep.
I didn't want curly.
Well, I want it curly.
I want it straight.
Finally, I am going in with the styling mousse from ChrissyyBaby, or by ChrissyyBaby, however you want to say it. So I'm going to apply this all over her head. I'm going to do a crazy job at it because I'm just so ready for it to be done. It's like, I think 8 o'clock at night and I'm just over it now. But I will say her hair dried pretty quick in this whole process of me dipping her hair and putting the mousse in it and oiling her scalp. Like, it did amazing. So if you guys want to see more hair videos of me doing my baby's hair, let me know down in the comment section below. And if you like the hairstyle that I did, let me know as well. Here is the finished product. I had her spin around to show you guys everything. The curls, I love the curls the most. Yeah, I just feel like she looks so beautiful. And I tried to do like a little bun. The bun didn't really come out the way I liked it, so we're gonna just excuse that part. But I do love how her hair looks. I can't wait to take our Christmas photos, and yeah, let me know what y'all think down below. See you guys in my next video.